Did you know that a single cup of kale has more vitamin C than an orange? Welcome to the remarkable world of superfoods. We've all heard the term superfood tossed around, but what does it really mean? Simply put, superfoods are nutrition powerhouses. Packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds, these foods go above and beyond when it comes to fueling your body. Today, we're venturing into the exciting universe of superfoods. From the humble blueberry to the exotic quinoa, we'll explore the nutritional treasures these foods hold. But this isn't just a journey of discovery. We're also going to delve into the science behind these foods. We'll look at the research that explains why these foods are so beneficial and how they can help improve our health, longevity, and overall well-being. But we're not stopping at just learning about superfoods. We're going to take this knowledge and use it to transform the way we eat. We'll share delicious recipes and cooking tips to help you incorporate these superfoods into your everyday meals. We're talking about meals that are not just tasty, but are also bursting with nutrition. So whether you're a health enthusiast looking to enhance your diet, a foodie in search of new flavors, or someone who just wants to understand what all the superfood hype is about, this journey is for you. We'll be covering a wide range of foods, each with its unique set of benefits. From the antioxidant-rich blueberries to the protein-packed quinoa, from the vitamin-loaded kale to the heart-healthy almonds, we'll be exploring a diverse variety of superfoods. So come along on this culinary adventure. Let's uncover the surprising power of superfoods, one bite at a time. Let's discover how these foods can boost our health, add years to our life, and bring joy to our taste buds. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the science behind superfoods. Ever wondered what makes a superfood, well, super? It's all about nutrient density, folks. Nutrient density is the ratio of beneficial nutrients to the energy content in a food. Superfoods are power-packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other vital nutrients, while maintaining a low energy content. Think of it this way. Superfoods are the superheroes of the food world, fighting the villains of disease and aging. They're the tiny but mighty warriors providing our bodies with the necessary tools to function at their best. It's not about one single magical nutrient, but rather the symphony of nutrients working together in these foods that make them super. And while all foods provide some nutrients, superfoods are the ones that go above and beyond. So when you're choosing your next meal, think about how you can incorporate these nutritional powerhouses. Now that we understand what makes a superfood, let's explore some examples. Blueberries, a tiny fruit packed with a nutritional punch. Let's dive in to see what makes this small berry a superfood. First off, blueberries are loaded with essential nutrients. They're incredibly high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, all vital for our overall health. But it doesn't stop there. Blueberries are also known for their strong antioxidant properties. They contain anthocyanins, flavonoids that give blueberries their deep blue color. These antioxidants help combat free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Beyond this, blueberries have a significant role in reducing DNA damage. DNA damage is a common occurrence in our bodies and is often the driving force behind aging and the onset of various diseases like cancer. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in blueberries can directly inhibit DNA damage, keeping you healthier for longer. Next up, a superfood that's making waves in the health community. Ever heard of quinoa, the grain that's actually a seed? If you're a health enthusiast, this superfood is likely already on your radar. Quinoa, pronounced quinoa, is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians or anyone looking to boost their protein intake. But protein is just one piece of the quinoa puzzle. This mighty seed is also packed with fiber. In fact, it contains twice as much fiber as most other grains. Why does this matter? Fiber is vital for healthy digestion, helping to maintain a happy, functioning gut. Quinoa's benefits don't stop there. It's also rich in vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. These nutrients are essential for our overall health, supporting everything from energy production to brain function. So next time you're planning a meal, consider adding a portion of quinoa. From a seed posing as a grain, we move to a leafy green powerhouse. Kale, the leafy green that's more than just a salad filler. This humble vegetable packs a punch when it comes to nutritional content. Brimming with vitamins A, K, and C, kale is a powerhouse of nutrients that plays an essential role in our health. It's like a multivitamin in plant form. Let's talk about our eyes. Kale contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients that are known for supporting eye health. These compounds help filter harmful high-energy light waves, like the kind that comes from your digital devices. So, eating kale could mean saying goodbye to those pesky blue light glasses. But that's not all. Kale also boasts an impressive list of antioxidants, substances that help protect our bodies from damage and disease. These antioxidants include quercetin and kaempferol, which have powerful heart-protective, blood pressure-lowering, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antidepressant, and even anti-cancer effects. Let's switch gears to a superfood that's a bit nutty. Almonds, the versatile nut that's a nutritional heavyweight. These mini powerhouses pack a punch when it comes to heart-healthy fats. They're loaded with monounsaturated fats, the same type found in olive oil, which have been associated with reduced heart disease risk. But that's not all. Almonds are also a protein superstar. Just a handful can provide a decent chunk of your daily protein needs, making them an excellent choice for those on plant-based diets or anyone looking to up their protein intake. And let's not forget about bone health. Almonds are a great source of calcium and magnesium, two minerals that are crucial for maintaining strong, healthy bones. They also contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your cells from damage. So whether you enjoy them raw, roasted, in your favorite smoothie, or as almond butter, incorporating almonds into your diet can offer a variety of health benefits. From a nut that's a nutritional star, let's move to a fruit known as the alligator pear. Meet the avocado, a fruit that's full of healthy fats. This green, creamy delight is more than just a topping for your toast or a key ingredient in guacamole. It's a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with monounsaturated fats. Now, these aren't just any fats. They're heart-healthy fats that help to lower bad cholesterol levels and increase the good ones. Imagine that, a fruit that's actually fighting in your corner, helping you maintain a healthy heart. But the Awe of Avocados doesn't stop there. Remember how we talked about their creamy texture? Well, that's not just pleasing to the palate, it's also beneficial to your skin. Avocados are packed with vitamins E and C, both known for their antioxidant properties. These nutrients work to hydrate your skin, leaving it feeling soft and looking radiant. So there you have it, avocados, a superfood that's as good for your heart as it is for your skin. Next, we'll unveil a superfood that's a favorite among athletes. Beets, the root vegetable that's a hidden gem for athletes. These vibrant powerhouses are packed with nitrates, naturally occurring chemicals that can increase blood flow and oxygen to your muscles, enhancing your athletic performance. But it's not just about the gym gains. The nitrate-rich beets also play a significant role in supporting brain health. They help in widening blood vessels, which improves blood flow, nourishing our brains with essential nutrients and oxygen. This can lead to better cognition, improved focus, and a sharper mind. So whether you're an athlete looking for that extra edge or someone just aiming for a healthier lifestyle, beets should definitely be on your grocery list. And hey, they're not just for salads. Beets add a sweet, earthy flavor to smoothies, soups, and even desserts. So, are you ready to let the beets of beets uplift your health and performance? Now, let's travel to the sea for our next superfood. Seaweed, the ocean's gift to our health. Don't let its humble appearance deceive you. This marine wonder is a powerhouse of nutrients. Packed with iodine and a wealth of minerals, seaweed is a natural multivitamin that our bodies crave. Our thyroid, the little butterfly-shaped gland in our neck, thrives on iodine. It uses this vital element to produce hormones that regulate our metabolism, growth, and development. And guess what? Seaweed is one of the richest sources of iodine on the planet. But the benefits of seaweed don't stop there. It's also a friend to our gut health. Seaweed contains unique fibers that nourish our gut bacteria. These friendly microbes, in turn, reward us with better digestion, enhanced immune function, and even improved mood. Yes, the health benefits of seaweed stretch far beyond the ocean's depths. From the sea, we move to a food that's a staple in many diets. Salmon, the fish that's swimming with nutrients. This superfood is a crowd favorite, and for good reason. Salmon is brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, a type of fat that the body can't produce on its own. These fatty acids are crucial for optimal brain health, playing a key role in cognitive function and mental well-being. But the benefits of this superfood don't stop at the brain. Omega-3 fatty acids are also powerhouse nutrients for the heart. They help to lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and can even decrease the risk of heart disease. So, next time you're thinking about what to cook for dinner, consider salmon. Not only is it deliciously versatile, but it's also packed with these heart and brain-boosting nutrients. And remember, The best way to get your omega-3s is from whole foods, not supplements. So, let's reel in the benefits of this omega-rich superfood. Let's now turn to a sweet superfood. Sweet potatoes, a superfood that's naturally sweet and incredibly nutritious. These vibrant tubers are not only pleasing to the eye and palate, but they're also packed with immense health benefits. One of the standout qualities of sweet potatoes is their high vitamin A content. In fact, a single medium-sized sweet potato can provide more than 3 times the recommended daily intake of vitamin A. Now, why should we care about vitamin A? Well, it plays a crucial role in maintaining our eye health. It's particularly effective against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. But the benefits of sweet potatoes don't stop at our eyes. This superfood is also a strong ally for our immune system. Vitamin A is known for its immunity-boosting properties, helping to keep our body's natural defenses strong. So the next time you're planning a meal, remember the sweet potato. It's more than just a tasty side dish. It's a superfood that packs a powerful nutritional punch. From a sweet root, we move to a bitter-tasting leaf. Arugula, the leafy green that's bitter in taste but sweet in nutrition. Known for its unique, peppery flavor, arugula is more than just a salad green. It's a nutritional powerhouse, packed with an impressive amount of calcium and vitamin K. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining strong and healthy bones, making arugula an excellent choice for those looking to bolster their bone health. But the benefits of arugula extend beyond its bone-strengthening properties. It's also rich in cancer-fighting compounds known as glucosinolates. When consumed, these compounds break down into powerful substances that protect cells from damage and help combat various forms of cancer. So, although arugula may be bitter on the palate, its sweet nutritional profile makes it a worthy addition to any diet. Whether tossed in a salad, blended into a smoothie, or cooked into a hearty meal, arugula brings a wealth of health benefits to the table. Our journey through superfoods wouldn't be complete without this next one. Chia seeds, small in size but mighty in nutrition. These tiny powerhouses are true nutritional gems, packed with high fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Just a spoonful of these seeds can provide a significant chunk of your daily fiber needs, aiding in digestion and contributing to overall gut health. But that's not all. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are a boon to your heart. They help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. What's more, these seeds are incredibly versatile. You can sprinkle them on your salad, blend them in your smoothie, or even make a chia seed pudding. The nutritional punch they pack is truly a surprise for such small seeds. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't forget to add a sprinkle of chia seeds to your dish. Let's wrap up our superfood tour with one that's truly golden. Turmeric, the golden spice that's a treasure trove of health benefits. This vibrant sun-kissed spice, a staple in many Asian cuisines, is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a powerhouse of nutritional goodness, packed with compounds that have profound effects on our health. At the heart of turmeric's health benefits is curcumin, a bioactive compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's these properties that make turmeric a natural ally in the fight against chronic diseases, from heart disease to diabetes. But turmeric's benefits aren't just physical. This golden gem also plays a critical role in brain health. Research suggests that curcumin may boost levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which encourages the growth of new neurons and fights various degenerative processes in the brain. And if that's not enough, some studies also point to turmeric's potential cancer-fighting properties. While more research is needed, the initial findings are promising. Now that we've explored the science behind superfoods, let's summarize. We've journeyed through the world of superfoods, from blueberries to turmeric. From the berry good benefits of blueberries packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, to the golden goodness of turmeric with its anti-inflammatory compounds, we've seen that nature's pantry is filled with an array of superfoods. We've learned that quinoa, a complete protein, is not just a grain, but a supergrain, rich in fiber and minerals. We've uncovered the Kale Tale, a leafy green that's not only a vitamin powerhouse, but also a great source of calcium. We've gone nuts for almonds, a heart-healthy snack filled with good fats and vitamin E. We've explored the Awe of Avocados, a creamy fruit that provides monounsaturated fats, contributing to good heart health. We've discovered the Beets Beat, a root vegetable that can help lower blood pressure and improve athletic performance. We've swept through the benefits of seaweed, a marine superfood that's a great source of iodine and can help boost thyroid function. We've dived into the omega-rich world of salmon, a fatty fish that's not only delicious but also great for brain health. We've indulged in the sweetness of sweet potatoes, a root veggie loaded with beta-carotene, fiber, and vitamins. We've tasted the bittersweet tail of arugula, a peppery green that's loaded with nitrates and can help lower blood pressure. We've felt the chia seed surprise, tiny seeds that pack a punch with their fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Each of these superfoods brings unique nutritional benefits, and incorporating them into a balanced diet can have a significant impact on our health and well-being. They offer a variety of flavors, textures, and health benefits that can make our meals not just more nutritious, but also more delicious. Remember, the power of nutrition is in your hands. So what's your favorite superfood and how do you include them in your meals? Share your superfood recipes